Hello everyone, this is Rome. So I've been kind of working on a 3D Java game engine using LWJGL, which stands for Lightweight Java Game Library. This is version 3, the latest version. I'm more of an artist, so I prefer to work on concepts and building 3D models rather than actually coding the engine. But as hard as it's been, I've been enjoying it. It's been a blast. And I'm really excited to see how far this has come. Getting a lot of ideas floating around in my head. If I were to make a game, it'd probably be something like Dungeon Siege or Diablo. However, that's pretty ambitious. So maybe I'll just come up with something like a survival horror type game. It's not as complex, but now you're ever expecting to make a whole finished game with it. But yeah. As you see here, we got some basic terrain with fog and collision detection working. Or no collision is working with the entities yet, so you can run right through the trees and stuff. But yeah, I'm able to add some trees I created in Blender, scattered around randomly along some plant life, like these ferns, brought in the same way. Yeah, they're also working with the collision detection so that things are placed on the ground correctly. I'm able to create the different heights on the terrain with something called a height map, using bitmaps to create these multi-textured terrains. So I'm able to have like a stone path, sand areas along with the grassy areas. You can see the fog in it. Is able to create a realistic background, so you can see the trees coming through the fog in the distance. I really like that. I got a third-person camera working with the player model that you're able to move around and control, so you can look all around it, zoom in and zoom out really far if you want. Yeah, so you're able to control that with a keyboard, the player with the keyboard and the camera with the mouse. What else we got? Yeah, I'm able to get multiple terrains working yet, but everything you see here is what's working so far. So yeah, next I'll be working on adding some texture atlases, maybe create some GUIs for displaying text to the screen, or like an inventory screen, such and such. Like what else? Yeah, maybe even start working on the day and night cycle, so I can have nighttime, daytime, maybe multiple lighting, so I can light things up in different places. Yeah, there's a lot of places I can go from here.